You're gonna be on YouTube. He's pretty good with that thing. Chris with Home Depot. He delivers our wood and whatnot. He's a good guy. He is subscribed to our channel.
Like, subscribe, hit the bell, share all you can, let other people see the videos.
Say, why not? It's not hard.
The videos are good, and people love shorts. Shorts are nice. I hate long videos.
I
I'm stuck
agree.
watching.
I totally agree.
No, and it's not just butt stuff, it's all kinds of stuff. I like it.
That you can get a lot of different information quickly. It's all kind of stuff that we have, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's a good channel. No, it's a good channel.
We're going to be putting some tennis ones out here pretty soon.
Oh, cool.
We've been, have you seen any of those?
No, I seen a bunch of the mechanic ones when you were working on the engines and stuff. I saw the bus one.
Yeah. You like that?
Yeah, I was going through the shorts.
Yeah.
You got a lot of mechanical ones.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you
I
haven't
like
seen anything. Oh, we got so much. Unbelievable.
No, it's good. There's a lot of videos on the site.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah.
No,
Have you
it's
seen,
good. I like it.
Have you seen